Hello, my name is Carolina Pardo. I am going to present to you my point of view on the effect of technology on the environment. As the population began to grow and its technology increased, the impact on the environment became greater and more harmful. In this way, the balance of the environmental system was lost. The advantages and disadvantages that technology has caused in the environment is same to the development that the human being has waiting to carry out, to find both economic, social, and cultural well-being, without measuring the damage that it can cause the environment where it operates. Advantages. Campaign is through social network or through the online service. The recycling of certain material or the use of alternate energy sources. Renewable energy sources. Disadvantages. First of all, the direct environmental impact, since the execution of public works such as road and mining operation modify the ecosystem in which many animal and plant species. Oil tanker accident had bad consequences for the marine environment in which they occur. Climate change is one of the greatest threats facing humanity today. It is not a problem that we can put off and take care of when we have more time or more money. We all have an obligation to act to prevent the climate from deteriorating further. What we do now will determine what the world we will live in will be like in 10, 20 or 50 years. It will take a huge effort on the part of all. It's essential that we all work together for a better climate and a better future. How to mitigate environmental damage? Save water, separate organic and recyclable waste, reduce the use of automobiles, use ecological and biodegradable products. Do not throw garbage on the street. Thank you.